I haven't done a haul in forever, and today is going to be a little special haul. I don't think I've ever really done this before, maybe once, but it's going to be just opening my haul for the very first time. I don't know, I don't really have, alright, I don't have it open my haul with, so I'm just going to use my hands. I was hoping I would have keys or whatever, but yeah. So, this is from Outlook. It's basically a company of Nordstrom. Talked about it so many times in the past. I bought, okay, so this is going to be kind of depressing because I feel like this is like a stepping stone to being an adult / old lady because I got a bunch of home appliances. Right now I'm living in a townhouse and we have everything basically. There's nothing we don't really have, but there's always little things that I want like this. So Outlook had this crazy Cuisinart sale a couple weeks ago and I had to just get some things. So the first thing is a waffle maker. I love waffles so much, especially with walnuts, although Matt can't eat it. I just love walnuts with my waffles. So I'm really excited to make this. I'll probably just make plain ones if Matt ever eats it with me because he's allergic to nuts, like deadly allergic. So can't wait to try this out. Alright, second thing I got is this. So it's basically like one of those things where it's like a blender thing. This is really fancy. Should I open them? I guess I will open them to show you guys. Ooh, it looks pretty. I have pancake batter that you can just put it in here and it become like a waffle or whatever. So I've just been wanting to get a waffle griddle thing to try the pancake batter. It's a whole wheat blend Aunt Jemima and it's so good. But yeah, so this is really pretty. When I was on, it's heavy. When I was on the website, I was debating if I should get my appliances in color, like either silver or pink, basically, which is kind of sad because I have a heart of a child. But I decided to get this in silver just because I like silver. Like, if everything in my kitchen matches, I think it'll look really good. So, and then I just decided to match with this food processor thing. It's like a little chopper thingy for vegetables and stuff. Usually whenever I make like beef barley vegetable soup, or when I make, I don't know, like anything with chopped onions in it, I would basically use one of these. I had one of these. Well, my mom gave it to me when I moved out of my house and Matt broke it, basically. Well, actually, you know what? It was a little bit cracked at the top, and then one day, I don't know what he did, but he broke it. Like completely, like it does not work. And then we ended up throwing it away. My mom does not know this, so if she's watching this, she might be a little bit furious. They smell funny. I don't know how to explain it. Like, smell like home appliances. They smell like new home appliances. Pink baby. I actually think that there was a silver one, but it was a lot more expensive. I think this was around 30 bucks. And the silver one was like $100 bucks. So I am probably not going to blend that much. So I just decided to get the pink one. There's a couple more things that I got because this is kind of like a part of the online order haul. The brand is Fergie. I actually have a pair of boots that are just like knee-high stacked heels, brown boots that I really, really like from the Fergie brand, which is kind of weird because it's Fergie, she's a singer, and you wouldn't think that she would have awesome designs, but I actually have a lot of hope in her shoes because they have all turned out awesome, and like my ultimate favorite pair of knee-high boots are actually Fergie. So I got this. These are just kind of a lower heel compared to most heels that I have, and ooh, I feel like sneezing. But it just has this, I don't know if you can see because it's kind of dark, but it's like a slit in the center. They're just really cute and light and comfortable, so love them. I feel like I should open this to show you guys. And then I got another thing. Unfortunately, love the brand, love the shoes, but they are extremely uncomfortable. Tried only one of them on, and like just when I put it in, there's a lot of pressure on the ball of my feet, and I don't think I can wear it for like a long period of time. So these are it. I mean, they are adorable. Look how cute they are. In reality though, they are not very wearable. Alrighty, next box. Stuff from Gilly Hicks. Ugh. Ow, my nails. Should have gotten like a box cutter thing, but I chose not to. So I'm just gonna have to use my muscles for this. It's like a haul / workout. Yay! I'm so excited about this Gilly Hicks haul because I need workout clothes and I need underwear. Okay, first thing on the list, or in the box, is, ooh, it's so pretty. It's a just long sleeve workout jacket thingy. I love Gilly Hicks stuff. Ooh, it's like really soft cotton. We got underwear. This is like a cheeky underwear thing. Ooh, it's pretty. It's like pink and super pretty. I feel like I have something similar to this. I am absolutely in love with Gilly Hicks underwear. Seriously, my ultimate favorite brand. I got this one. It's like meshy. I love this. So adorable. Do you see this little ruching at the butt? It actually helps enhance your bum to make it look better. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Oh my god. I am excited for all these. They all look amazing. Oh no! I have this already. I guess I just didn't, oh actually no. I have something exactly like this, but it's not like this stretchy material. It's actually like more of a cotton material. So I guess I'm kind of glad that this came. I was confused at first because I was like, oh no, I have it. I guess I'm just going to show you all the underwear because apparently all the underwear is on top. So yeah. And then I got this. Ooh, it's a very nice soft cotton. I love lace scalloping. I think it just looks super pretty. They actually had glow in the dark underwear on the site, but I didn't get it because it was sold out and they didn't have my size. Is this a right size? What size is this? Small, okay. It looked kind of big initially, but I guess it's the right size. It's just probably like a different, it's like a hipster cut. And then I got this. I love this floral stuff. I just don't have much of floral patterns. Can't talk today. Oh my god, this is so, if you guys can tell, I just love pink underwear, so that's probably why I have like a bunch of just warm colored pink underwear. This one is really cute. Okay, this one I'm pretty sure I have already. It just looks different on the website. And I don't know now. When I first see it, it looks the same, but then it's like a different lace. I think I just got a bunch of tank tops. So they are adorable. If you look, this is the back to it. It has like a lace, and this is the front. So cute. I think I got the same. They were on sale for really cheap, like $6 or less. So I decided to get a bunch of them. And then it comes in maroon too. So this is the back and then this is the front. So, holy cow, it's soft. Look how pretty it is. It's a jacket. It's so soft. And it has like the pink lining in it. Isn't that cute? I also got some sweaters. I think the sweaters were on sale for around 20 bucks. This is just like an off-the-shoulder sweater. Oh, this is just a navy one of that same kind of back lace. I just got a bunch because they're really cheap. So, and then this is just workout sport leggings, and it's supposed to match. It's supposed to match this one that I have. So, I usually like to match my workout clothes a lot. I'm really obsessed with matching my workout clothes. And then I got gray ones. Gosh, they feel amazing. I'm so excited to wear them. This one is actually a lot thicker. And then gray, just like a gray hoodie thing to match. A little bit, actually it's a little bit lighter, but I think it will do. And then one last thing I got is this. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a, I think it's supposed to be like a boyfriend sweater. It's like a pretty dual color thread or yarn or whatever it's called sweater.